You know, you feel that comfort, you know what I'm saying? Feel like What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. All right, man, so I'm back today with another video, man, and man, I told you I was gonna be mixing in the unboxings, but look, I got super lucky on a raffle that I hit on, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I've never hit on this specific raffle for retail ever in my life. And the crazy part about it is, I wear a pair of these joints every day, just about. It's not a day that goes by that I don't wear them, and I never paid retail for them. I always paid, resale price for them. So I got super lucky, man. So I'm excited. I had to bring this video to the channel today. But before we get into that, shout out to all the new subs, man. All the new subs, man. Y'all rocking with your boy, man. And we are literally, at this current moment, 685 right now. So we walking down 700. I think the last video we was talking about like 670 or 670. So I don't know, but we walking down 700 right now. Shout out to the new subs, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. So I have an unboxing for you, man. As you can see, if you know what type of box this is, man. But hey, we gonna get right into it. All right, so we gonna break into this joker, man. All right, so I have been doing good with the boxes lately, for real. No cap. Right. We fighting. All right, finally got in this box, bruh. Hold on, I lied. Thought I got into it. Yo, this box is, yo, that's a lot for a box, bruh. So you see it right here. Like I say, man, your boy finally hit for retail, man. Shout out to the retail people that always hit, man, on retail. Hey, I'm jealous, but look, I done hit for retail on all type of shoes, but not on these jokers right here. And this is something I wear every day, so I'm super, super stoked. Box reads Yeezy Slide and Slate. Hey, bruh, look, that's what it is right there. Size 13, because you gotta go up a size in the Yeezy Slides. If you know, you know. I typically wear a 12, but I had to get a 13. Let's take a look at these jokers. The standard Adidas paper in this joint. Again, nothing too crazy, man. But you got the Adidas Yeezy Slide, Slate Grey, man. And it looks more, well, honestly, underneath the light, it does look gray. It does look gray. I would say a lot of the videos or a lot of the pictures I saw, the slide actually looked darker. But let's turn it around real quick. Take a look. Again, it's just a Yeezy Slide, man. So the details are going to be what the details are. Nothing too crazy. Nothing really changes on these. But one thing I love about Adidas Slides, the Yeezy Slides, it's that comfort, man. This is why I always wear them. When you press that thing right there, man, that's that. If you know, man. All right, so I'm getting the second one out right now, man. We're gonna take a look just right beside each other, because like I say, this is my first time hitting for a pair of Yeezy Slides for retail, man. Honestly, when I entered the raffle, I had a 0% chance of thinking that I was gonna actually hit, bro. Like I just had chalked up an L to the game. Like I'm like, nah, I'm losing. I'm not gonna win. I'm probably never gonna get another pair of Yeezy Slides because they're not gonna release anymore. And if I go buy them, I'm probably gonna have to buy them on the aftermarket. Even though the prices are down on Yeezy Slides, because I think a lot of people who wear slides are transitioning into different slides, right? I know my daughter, she likes to wear the babe, what's the name of them joints? The freaking what's the joints that she wear? The Birkenstocks. The kids wearing Birkenstocks. I even seen Nike come out with some new slides. There's a lot of people getting into the slide game and kind of taking over where Kanye left off, because he dominated for so long with the Yeezy Slide. But I will tell you this, man, The comfort on these are unmatched. I have worn my Yeezy Slides legit every day. I think for the last year or longer. And before that, it was my other ones I wore almost every day. So when it comes to comfort, I'm super excited to get these on, just to have something I can slide on every day. I can wear, I can put on clothes with these. I can wear them if I'm just cooling and chilling, man. It's just unmatched. And then with them being that dark colorway, man, you really can do anything with these. So for $70 plus tax, which I think I ended up paying like $74, man, you can't beat it, because I done paid like 200 and something for some Yeezy Slides. So to get these for 74 bucks, I mean, I'm considering this a dub, bro. A big dub for me today. How y'all feel about the Yeezy Slide Slate Grey? Let me know in the comment section if it's something that you would rock. If you rock with Yeezy Slides, if you moved on from Yeezy Slides, are you wearing Crocs? What have you transitioned to if you're not rocking with the Yeezy Slides? But I personally love them, man. I still wear them because I'm all about comfort and I'm all about what I like. If you don't like the Yeezy Slide, tell me why you don't like the Yeezy Slide, because I think Kanye has really, and just about everything he's done in the fashion industry, to sneakers, to, you know, slides, he has found a way to take over. So I'm interested to see what happens beyond Adidas with Kanye. I'm pretty sure he got something big in the works that's gonna, you know, hit the industry and take it by storm. But as of now, there's some room for growth in a lot of companies that are coming out with slides. So I'm interested to see what people do while Kanye is gone. There is time for a new giant to come in, kind of like when Jordan left and then Kobe and then LeBron, you know what I mean? Every time a great leaves, there's somebody that's gonna come up behind that that's gonna be great. So I'm interested to see what happens with that. But I do wanna say this, man. Shout out to everybody who has went to the clothing website, to rawmelanclothing.com, and has really, you know, showed love, placed orders, man. Shout out to Texas, shout out to Florida, shout out to New York, shout out to Cali, shout out to NC, SC, Georgia. Did I say Florida? Florida, man, listen, shout out to Columbus, Ohio, man. People really been rocking with the brand. As you know, it's in stores right now. So if you're in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, pull up over to McFly Fresh at 301 Camp Road over in Camp North End, and you won't be disappointed. Go check out my rack and you'll see the top-notch quality of my garments. New hoodies on the way. Link in the description box. Go tap in. But you know the saying, man. Love is free. Hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.
Like that.